Track document intake and internal deadlines for jobs. Managing hundreds of tax returns means tracking more than just due dates. You need to know when work can actually begin and when your team needs to finish before the client deadline. TaxDome's intake date and internal deadline fields solve this by tracking two critical milestones. The intake date marks when you actually receive client documents and can begin productive work, not just when you created the job or first contacted the client. The internal deadline creates your private buffer before the official due date, giving you time for quality review and handling unexpected complications without last-minute rushes. Setting these dates is straightforward. When creating or editing any job, you can select the intake date when documents arrived and set your internal completion target. For efficiency, you can update multiple jobs simultaneously using bulk edit, saving time during busy tax season. These dates appear as sortable and filterable columns in your job list, making it easy to organize work by when documents arrived or identify which jobs are approaching their internal deadlines. You can also set default values in job templates, ensuring consistent deadlines are automatically applied every time you create a new job. Then simply update the intake date when client documents actually arrive.